Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AnbuZ HobbieZ. I'm AnbuZ, and today, we're kicking off our journey into Spring Security 6 by setting up a Spring Boot project. Let's get started. Spring Boot, coupled with Spring Security, provides a seamless way to fortify your applications. Today, I'll guide you through the steps of creating a new Spring Boot project using Spring Initializer and integrating Spring Security 6. This will be the foundation for our secure web application. To begin, we'll head over to the Spring Initializer website, a fantastic tool for kickstarting Spring projects with the right dependencies and configurations. Choose a group and artifact name, set the packaging to jar, and select your desired Java version. Additionally, we'll add the dependencies needed for our project. For today's video, we're adding Spring Web and, of course, Spring Security. As you can see, we're adding Spring Security to our project. Feel free to explore and select additional options based on your project requirements. For now, we're keeping it simple. Once you're ready, click on Generate to download the project. With our project downloaded, let's import it into our favorite IDE. I'm using IntelliJ for today's demonstration. Import the project as a Maven project if you're using Maven or Gradle if you're using Gradle. Once imported, let's explore the project structure and dive into the code. Open the main application class. You'll notice the @Spring Boot application annotation. This is the entry point of our Spring Boot application. We've successfully set up our Spring Boot project with Spring Security dependencies. Fantastic job, everyone! In the next video, we'll start configuring Spring Security to secure our application. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to AnbuZ HobbieZ for more exciting content on Spring Boot, Java, and everything in between. I'm AnbuZ, and I'll catch you in the next one.